Spinach, a companion of health. Did you know that a familiar vegetable in your kitchen contains countless benefits beyond your expectations? It is not a strange or difficult to find food, but spinach, also known as spinach. Known as a superfood, thanks to its high nutritional content and outstanding benefits, spinach not only helps you maintain your health, but also supports the treatment and prevention of many chronic diseases. Today, we will explore this magical vegetable and the amazing benefits it brings. According to a 2022 Harvard University study, daily consumption of green vegetables like spinach can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 34% and the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 20%. In addition, research from Oxford University also shows that the natural nitrates in spinach have the ability to dilate blood vessels, helping to improve blood pressure and blood circulation. This is especially important for those looking for a natural solution to protect heart health, but the benefits of spinach don't stop there. With an extremely low glycemic index, GI, of just 15, spinach effectively stabilizes blood sugar, reduces the risk of insulin resistance, and supports pancreatic function. According to a report from the Johns Hopkins Nutrition Institute, maintaining a diet rich in spinach can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 25% within 6 months, an impressive figure, especially for people with diabetes or prediabetes. In addition, spinach also contains 2 important compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin, proven by research from the University of California to help reduce the risk of macular degeneration by up to 40% and protect the eyes from the effects of UV rays. This is a precious gift for the eyes, especially when you often work in front of a computer screen or are exposed to strong sunlight. So, what makes spinach so special? How can a humble vegetable become your best friend in weight management, heart health, blood sugar control, and eye health? More importantly, do you know how to maximize the potential of this wonderful vegetable in your daily meals? Share in the comments. Have you ever added spinach to your diet? If so, what is your favorite dish? We want to hear from you and explore interesting stories about spinach together. With each study, each benefit, and each dish, we hope to inspire you to start your journey to a healthier life, starting with the small choices in your kitchen. Let's take a closer look at spinach and the wonders it brings. Part 1. The dangers of processed foods. In modern life, processed foods have become a familiar part of many people's meals. From burgers, pizza, French fries to packaged foods, we are easily attracted by their convenience and rich taste. However, behind that appeal lies a worrying reality. Processed foods often contain large amounts of sugar, salt, saturated fat, and preservatives that can be harmful to health. A study from the University of Cambridge, 2020, showed that regular consumption of processed foods increases the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 40%, while the rate of cardiovascular disease increases by about 30%. These foods increase insulin resistance, a major factor leading to prediabetes and obesity. Not only that, the accumulation of visceral fat due to excessive consumption of sugar and bad fats also puts a lot of pressure on the liver, leading to the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In addition, fast food is often lacking in essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making the body susceptible to fatigue and a weakened immune system. This increases the risk of chronic inflammation, a factor that contributes to many other dangerous diseases, such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and autoimmune disorders. So, what's the solution? Spinach could be the perfect answer, helping you not only stay away from the harmful effects of processed foods, but also providing a comprehensive source of nutrition to maintain long-term health. Part 2. Understanding spinach. Nature's superfood. Spinach, also known as Swiss chard, is known as one of the most nutritious green vegetables in the world. With its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach has been scientifically proven to provide countless health benefits. According to the U.S. National Institute of Nutrition, spinach contains large amounts of micronutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, iron, potassium, and magnesium, nutrients necessary to maintain the body's activities. Vitamin K in spinach, for example, plays an important role in maintaining bone health, helping to reduce the risk of osteoporosis in the elderly. At the same time, spinach is also rich in fiber, supporting the digestive system and helping to control weight effectively. In addition, the fiber in spinach also helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, keeping blood sugar levels more stable after each meal. This is the reason why spinach is considered a great companion for those who are looking for a natural solution to manage blood sugar. Part 4. Benefits of spinach for heart health. In addition to supporting blood sugar, spinach also brings many significant benefits to cardiovascular health. The natural nitrates in spinach, when absorbed, will be converted into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels, increase blood circulation, and reduce blood pressure. According to research from Harvard University, regular consumption of spinach can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 30%. Not only that, spinach also contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help reduce inflammation and prevent damage to blood vessels caused by free radicals. In addition, spinach also helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and prevents plaque buildup in the arteries, a major cause of problems such as atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Adding spinach to your diet not only keeps your heart healthy, but also improves your overall quality of life. Part 5. Spinach and eye health. Eye health is a major concern, especially as you age. With high amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, two important carotenoids, spinach is one of the best foods to protect your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light and UV rays. Research from the University of California has shown that diets rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration by up to 40%. At the same time, these compounds also help prevent cataracts, keeping your vision sharp. In addition, vitamin A in spinach also plays an important role in maintaining retinal health, helping to improve vision in low-light conditions. For those who work a lot in front of a computer screen, adding spinach to their diet is a simple but effective way to protect their eyes. Part 6. How to prepare delicious and easy spinach. With spinach, maintaining a healthy diet is easier than ever. Not only nutritious, spinach is also extremely flexible in preparation, helping you create attractive dishes in a short time. In particular, spinach can be combined with many other vegetables and foods to enhance nutritional value, providing a complete meal in both flavor and health. Here are some suggestions for preparation and combination. 1. Green smoothie. Start your day full of energy. Combine 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 avocado, and 200 milliliters almond milk. Blend all ingredients in a blender. For added flavor, you can add a spoonful of raw honey or a pinch of cinnamon. Not only does this smoothie provide fiber from the spinach, it also adds potassium from the banana, healthy fats from the avocado, and vitamin E from the almond milk, making it the perfect breakfast or healthy snack. Add some kale for an antioxidant boost, or some pineapple for a natural sweet and sour taste. 2. Spinach salad. A fresh snack. Combine fresh spinach, walnuts, a few sliced strawberries, and a little feta cheese. Dress with a dressing made with extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a drizzle of honey. This salad is the perfect balance of fiber, unsaturated fats, and vitamin C. Strawberries add antioxidants, while walnuts provide brain-boosting omega-3s. Add chia or flax seeds for a boost of omega-3s and fiber. You can also swap out the strawberries for green apples for a fresh flavor. 3. Spinach omelet. Quick but nutritious breakfast. Sauté a handful of fresh spinach with 1 teaspoon olive oil and a little minced garlic. When the spinach is half cooked, add the beaten egg to the pan and season with a little salt and pepper. Fry until the egg is golden brown. This is a protein-rich dish from the eggs, combined with fiber and vitamin K from the spinach. Not only will it keep you full, it will also support bone and muscle health. Add mushrooms or chopped bell peppers for extra flavor and nutrition. You can also serve it with whole wheat bread for extra energy. 4. Spinach soup with carrots and sweet potatoes. Bring chicken stock or broth to a boil, then add the sliced carrots and sweet potatoes. Simmer until tender. Add the spinach and season to taste. Carrots provide beta-carotene to support eye health, sweet potatoes provide energy from complex carbohydrates, and spinach provides essential vitamins and minerals. Add a little shredded ginger for a warming flavor and to aid digestion. 5. Spaghetti with spinach and mushroom sauce. Cook the spaghetti according to package directions. Meanwhile, sauté the spinach and sliced mushrooms in olive oil and minced garlic. When the mushrooms are tender, add a little cream, or almond milk, to create a sauce. Toss with the pasta and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. The spinach and mushrooms provide antioxidants, while the whole wheat pasta and olive oil provide energy and healthy fats. Add cherry tomatoes or bell peppers for natural sweetness and extra vitamins. Part 7. Supplements to maximize benefits. To maximize the benefits of spinach, you can combine it with complementary foods. These combinations not only enhance the nutritional value, but also make the dish more attractive and diverse. 1. Avocado. Contain monounsaturated fats, which aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K from spinach. Add sliced avocado to a spinach salad or blend into a green smoothie for a smooth, creamy flavor. 2. Almonds rich in protein, fiber, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Sprinkle roasted almonds over spinach salads or grind them and add them to soups for extra thickness. 3. Salmon-rich source of omega-3s. Salmon helps reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and boost brain power. Serve grilled salmon with sautéed spinach and garlic, or make spinach wraps with raw salmon for a light meal. 4. Other vegetables. Pair spinach with nutrient-rich vegetables like kale, tomatoes, squash, or bell peppers to balance your meal and add variety to your menu. Make roasted vegetables with spinach or vegetable soup with spinach. Health is not a miracle that happens overnight, but the result of small but sustainable choices every day. Jane's story is a clear example. I started eating spinach every day when I was diagnosed with prediabetes. After just a few months, my blood sugar was more stable, my body felt lighter and healthier. Spinach not only helped Jane improve her health, but also inspired her to change her lifestyle habits for the better. In today's world, bad habits like consuming processed foods, being sedentary, or ignoring warning signs from your body can silently take a toll on your health. Problems like insulin resistance, obesity, heart disease, and many other chronic diseases are the result of unhealthy choices. But you have the power to change. By replacing just a small portion of your daily meals with healthy foods like spinach, you can make a big difference in your health future. Start your healthy living journey today. Add spinach to your meals, combine it with complementary foods such as avocado, almonds, or salmon, and feel the change from within. The benefits go beyond controlling blood sugar and protecting the heart, and also help you maintain a comfortable spirit and full of energy every day. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to accompany you on your journey to building a healthy lifestyle. Each of your support is a source of motivation for us to bring more valuable content. It is never too late to take care of your health. Let's start this journey together to not only live longer, but also live healthier and happier.